just give me true love and understanding.
So how much strength he has to use to do this? Oh, I got splattered. Some juice.
Spillage. You gotta pay extra for that.
Couple of them.
Need plus spillage.
And then like slide your thumbnail under it in one.
Ah,
There you go. Yep, perfect. Yep.
there it is.
He just did it faster, but just like that. Yeah.
Have you?
Did you know that black sapote is in the same family as persimmons? The word sapote originates from the Aztec language where it means soft, sweet fruit. Although black sapote is soft, the sweetness and flavor is highly debated. I think it has a nice, mildly sweet flavor, but if I'm really craving something sweet, I'll eat it with a little date syrup. Make sure to wait until this fruit is super soft before eating for that soft pudding-like texture. Black sapote is also a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin A.